Yeah, I think Sakshi, first of all, I think markets are volatile because clearly, a lot of liquidity has been sucked out by the primary markets. I think clearly, two big IPOs, Tata Capital, WeWork, is going to, raise something like 20,000 crores. So that's putting a lot of pressure on the secondary market, and that's creating a lot of volatility because typically, investors sell in the secondary market and apply in the primary market. Secondly, I think the markets are a little uncertain that the weekly expiry is now going to go away. There are very clear indications that formal announcements could be made soon, and that also is creating a little bit of volatility. And finally, the rupee, has turned weak. I think the rupee turning weak does not encourage the FIs to come in. And already the FIs have been quite heavy net sellers in the market. So, all these things have combined into the market sentiment getting a little negative. But I think looking at the fact of the matter is that we would be entering earnings season very soon. My sense is from the second week of October, you could see the corporate earnings season coming out. So there's a little bit of hope that numbers could be much better than quarter one. And most importantly, I think with inflation down, hopefully the economy should possibly do much better in the third quarter. So I think, keeping fingers crossed, I think one needs to take a stock specific view. Broadly, the markets are going to remain in a same zone. I don't think the markets are going to find any near-term immediate trigger, and they would obviously wait for the import tariff policy decision, which is now very well expected. Hopefully, we get it by the time Diwali comes. I think it would be a good reason to cheer. But otherwise, the import tariff kind of trigger and the corporate result earnings season are near-term triggers which are going to take the markets upward. So till that time, the markets, on an index level will remain range bound. It's better to focus on stock specific activity.